welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see the new Mean Girls movie. I'm so excited. I have my cute little pink outfit on, so I wanted to show you guys before I head out to see the movie today. So my two-piece pink tank top and cardigan are from Hollister. My jeans are from Hollister as well. And then I'll be wearing my white Converse with my outfit today. I just love how it's like pink and accented with silver. It's so cute. I love it. And this is from the Barbie collection from Aldo, so it works out definitely for Mean Girls, so I'm so excited. I think honestly it's giving 2004 Mean Girls, and I love it. Hi guys, it is a different day now, and tonight I'm gonna grab some dinner with a really good friend of mine, my bestie Jose. I haven't seen him in like this year. I haven't even seen him like in a long time. I think the last time was like, I don't even know when, honestly, like October, November of 2023. I don't know, it's been forever, and we're in a desperate need of a hangout tonight, so we're gonna grab some dinner. We're gonna get some ramen at a new place, which I'm really excited about. I haven't tried this particular ramen place that we're going to, but I love ramen. I just love noodles, and so I'm really excited to just have dinner with him and just like catch up because it's been forever. This is the outfit. My sweatshirt is from TikTok. And this one's the one that I wore at Halloween Horror Nights, which I really love. I love it so much. And I tucked it in on the side of my jeans because I feel like it just gives like dimension to my body. Because I feel like if it's like this, like where's my waist? You know what I'm saying? So like I like to just show my waist a little bit, so it's like my body isn't drowning in a sweatshirt, if that makes sense. Even though that is a look and it slays, I kind of don't want that look today. I love this technique. I think I learned it from Jasmine Lee, she's an incredible fashion lifestyle YouTuber. One of my favorites. I'm so excited to see my bestie tonight. I'm so excited for us to just grab dinner, hang out, catch up. I'll take you guys along with me. Hi guys, I'm headed to my nail appointment and my facial eyebrow appointment right now. My nail appointment is first, so we're gonna go do that, and yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. I don't know when was the last time I filmed. I believe it was, I think when I went to go like have a dinner with one of my good friends, and then I think I went to go get like a facial and my nails done. Oh, and I watched the Mean Girls movie. The movie itself had a lot of pros and cons, but I thought it was an okay movie. I personally love the Broadway soundtrack. I liked how they just had their own spin on it, and like they were trying to like kind of like stay like rooted within like, you know, like the iconic Mean Girl moments while making it their own, which I appreciated. I love the OG Mean Girls movie. I love the Broadway production and the soundtrack for that show, and my boyfriend and I are actually gonna go see it because it's touring in our area, so we're gonna see it in March, which is so exciting because I love the music for that show. And then I had my bestie dinner with my bestie, and it was so much fun. He introduced me to like this new ramen place, which I'm actually gonna go tomorrow because I'm literally addicted to the food there because it's so good. So we had so much fun. He gave me like really cute sheet mask and like a t-shirt, so I'm gonna take the sheet mask with me for my trip that I'm gonna do soon. Anything self-care related and spa related I love so much. I just love like having a sheet mask, a facial mask, like, and just relaxing. And then also too, I actually got a facial because my skin was like so dry. Like winter, it's crazy. Like I have eczema flare-ups, especially during the winter, and like I just had really dry skin around my eyes, like to where like my eyes look so puffy. I'm so happy because the facial just made my skin feel so healthy, so hydrated, and it looks so glowy, like with or without makeup. Like I love how my skin turned out with that facial. Also too, I got my nails done. I got like this light pink color with like a pearl chrome. I'm actually gonna go tomorrow to get my nails done because I'm wanting to get some nails for my trip. So today we're actually packing for my trip. I'm going on a week-long trip, which is crazy, but I'm so excited because we are going to Vegas. So I'm so excited. We're going for about a week, actually exactly a week. We're leaving on the 17th and then coming back on the 24th. So that's crazy, a week in Vegas. I'm so excited for the trip. We're doing a family trip to Vegas for a week, so I'm so excited. It's so last minute. Obviously for me, I leave packing for the last minute, so we have to pack 7 outfits, 7 like outfits literally for a week, and then also 2 pajamas, and also too I want to pack some extra outfits because I'm that type of packer, guys, where like I pack extra. Like I overpack, but like I like to pack extra just in case I need something, you know what I mean? Like if like I much rather have it and not use it than to not have it and not be able to use it. So point blank period. We're gonna pack together. This is my first pack with me video, so I'm so excited that we're packing together, and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me to Vegas. I'm so excited. That's gonna be in like 2 separate vlogs which are coming up, so by this time I think I'll already be in Vegas already. I have this first top. I think this is Vegas, right? I think I got this when I thought I was gonna go to New York. I feel like I might use it for like the Vegas trip. It has like buttons, like these little buttons right here. And I was thinking of wearing this with like jeans, like more like casual, like it's casual cute. I wanna have nice outfits. I wanna have like cute outfits, but I also wanna be warm. You know what I mean? Like I don't wanna like wear dresses where like it's like showing my legs and like literally like no sleeves, whatnot. Like I think there's one top that I really want to take, but then also too I'm just putting a jacket over, so like I still have the long sleeve, but like I want to be warm because Vegas is cold right now, and I'm not about to be crazy right now wearing a dress with no sleeves, no long sleeves, no like long, you know what I mean? Like I need like cloth covering me because it's cold. I think this is cute, and I feel like even this, like with my jeans right now, I feel like that's cute. And actually I think I might pack these jeans that I'm wearing, but I just need to wash them, so I'm gonna wash them tonight. And then also too I think this top, I'm actually gonna take this top, so I'm gonna wash this outfit, pack it. Also too definitely pack this. And then this could be an outfit, and then also too the outfit that I'm wearing can be an extra outfit for Vegas as well. So cute. I'm so excited to wear this. I have heels. I have like white heels that could look cute to like make this outfit look dressy, but like it's still cash. You know what I mean? This is like this white halter top that goes around, and then you have like this long sleeve, kind of like those ballerina sleeves where like you just put it around you, and then it kind of shows the skin right here. I love how this top is like cute and like aesthetic, but like also too it's giving warmth with like the ballerina-esque like sleeve, long sleeve. So I love this. Oh, I have the same top, but okay, so I'm the type of shopper that like if I like something, I'm gonna buy it in like multiple different colors, styles, but it's like the same like kind of vibe, like kind of like the white top that I just showed you with the long sleeve and the halter. It's exactly like that, but it's like in a dress form. So it's like kind of like the halter, this like long sleeve ballerina-esque. This cannot be a dress anymore. Like I've worn this so many times to where it shrunk. This cannot be a dress. Like literally, and I'm fine with that because I could tuck it in with jeans, right? Tuck this in with jeans, do the halter thing, do the sleeve thing, and we're good. Next thing I'm gonna bring is my Lululemon jacket. I've been obsessed with this jacket and my leggings. I got these for Christmas. I also got the Lululemon like everywhere bag, which I've been taking everywhere with me. I'm packing my Lululemon tights and then also my Lululemon's jacket, and then I feel like those two together will be a perfect like hotel outfit, like just staying in while I'm babysitting, while my parents go out and have fun. I love this jacket so much. I love the tights, so soft and buttery. I've worn tights that are like, you know, obviously tights, but like they're so uncomfortable. Like to where like it just kind of feels like, why am I even wearing tights? You know what I'm saying? Because like that's the whole point, to feel comfortable in tights. Lululemon tights, they're just so soft, they're so buttery, they just hug you in all the right places, and like they just feel actually comfortable to wear. Okay, so this is the top that's like, it doesn't have a long sleeve, but I'm gonna borrow my boyfriend's jacket because he has like a denim jacket that will look cute with it, and then I'll have that long sleeve aspect because of my boyfriend's jacket, if that makes sense. This girl, this denim on denim, it's iconic. I'm like, this, like literally, I could wear this, and then kind of like leave the last button open, so it's kind of like a little crop top, and then have like the oversized denim jacket, my boyfriend's jacket. Like, are we kidding? Like, are we joking? Because that's iconic. That's an outfit. Like, you know what I'm saying? I am such a fan of denim on denim. Denim top with denim skirt. Denim top with denim jeans. Denim jacket, denim jeans, denim top, like, you name it. Like, I'm such like a denim on denim fan. And I even have denim heels. I have denim heels to match with this and my jeans and the jacket. I love a good Britney moment with denim on denim. You know what I'm saying? So actually, let me get those denim heels real quick. Okay, like literally, like this is iconic. Like this heel is iconic. And I love heels that do this, where like they wrap around your ankle. This is so bad, but they wrap around your ankle to where it's like this, and then you strap it like that, like game over. This with this, picture it in your mind. Okay, this, jeans, and then this, and then oversized jacket. And honestly, like, I'm the type where it's like, it doesn't really have to, like, the denim doesn't have to be exact. Like, this is like a lighter denim, obviously, and then this is like more like a darker dual denim, and then these are a lot more darker, and then the jacket I think is darker too. Just as long as it's like different shades of blue, I love. Iconic, love it. The denim and the belt accent like literally sold it for me, but especially the kitten heel, my feet won't be dying. Like, I won't be dying in Vegas. I'm so excited because it's so cute and it's so iconic. Next outfit is for a particular like fancy thing we're doing in Vegas, so I'm so excited. We are literally going to eat at Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen at Caesar's Palace. What? Like, honestly, that's like the exciting thing that I'm so excited about for Vegas is literally that restaurant experience. I'm so excited. I cannot believe we're eating at Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen at Caesar's Palace. Like, that's crazy. Like, so I'm so excited. I want to feel warm and I want to feel sophisticated and cute. And I feel like this dress is kind of like that perfect kind of like thing that I'm looking for. This is the dress. So this is a sweater dress. I believe I got this from Hollister, and it's definitely wrinkled. I will iron it for sure, but I just love how thick the material is, and it's like a very long dress. Like, it goes like kind of down to like a little bit past my knee a little bit, and then also too, I don't know if you could see, like this part folds over, so it's like an over the shoulder type of dress, which is so cute. Definitely packing like white heels to pair with this, because I feel like white heels would look nice. And then also too, I want to like pack some bows for my hair, so like I could put like a white bow in my hair to accent the white heels with this dress. I love bows in my hair. They're so cute, and I feel like they tie together my outfits. Just like aesthetically, I feel like it matches my aesthetic, so I'm definitely gonna bring some ribbons and bows and like accessories. And yeah, I was thinking of wearing this white bow in my hair so that I could wear the black dress, and then the white heels that I wear with the black dress can accent with the white bow in my hair, and then the black dress could just be iconic as the black dress, if that makes sense. And then I want to bring a black bow with me just to put in my hair, and then it will match with all my other outfits. And then also to bring the exact same bow but just in white, and then also to bring like kind of like a more skinnier bow. And then this one's more like a hair tie styled, where like you have to tie it in your hair. I think that would be cute. And then I have some ribbons. These kind of ribbons where like you have to tie them in your hair. These are from Michael's and I just cut them out and just to put like in your hair. I feel like that would be cute. So I might pack that as well. And yeah, and I feel like for regular shoes, I'm gonna bring my white Converse. And then for heels, I'm bringing my white heels, which are like a chunky heel, so it's not that bad. And then my denim heels, which are iconic. Because I have to put some other outfits together. I don't know what I want yet. I think that's everything, so I'm gonna pack everything. I'm also gonna pack some video vlogging equipment for YouTube. So this is my iPhone tripod. I love this one. I love how it's like very small, and I feel like I could just like do either TikToks or YouTube shorts, or like flip it like this way for like vlogging, kind of like landscape type of filming. I love this a lot. I love how it's small. It's not like a big like clunky kind of tripod. And then this light, I'm packing it. This is for like TikToks. This is like the viral Amazon light that's iconic. So it changes, you could change the settings. I've tried it a couple times for YouTube shorts. Incredible, amazing. I even use this light for like video filming, but like I'm using my ring light for now just to show the lighting. And then I'm also bringing like a little mini ring light that's right here that I'm using. And then also too, obviously I'm bringing my phone for filming. So I'm taking, I'm taking my laptop and my laptop charger because I definitely want to edit when I'm like in Vegas. Oh, and then I also want to bring battery packs and like the chargers to connect it to your phone, and then those battery pack chargers like to charge them up. So I have a lot of chargers and equipment to pack. I feel like that's gonna be its own bag, honestly. Definitely my phone, my laptop, my chargers, my lighting, my tripod, and also too my battery packs with the chargers, and also too the iPhone connector to connect it to my phone are definitely essentials that I'm gonna bring for the trip. I've been wanting a travel mirror for my makeup and my skincare for the longest time, so I'm so excited that my boyfriend got this for me and that I'll be trying this out for the first time in Vegas. And then I also got some sheet masks. A lot of them my bestie got for me, so I'm so excited to try those. And then also too, I got a couple of these so that my sister-in-law and I can have like a face mask, sheet mask type of night in Vegas. I'm so excited for the trip. I'm not excited about packing, honestly, but I'm excited about just being packed. And then I'm also excited for the trip. Yeah, we need to pack. Let's pack together. So I'm packing. I think I might bring my clothes in this bag. I don't have a suitcase, unfortunately. I'm definitely gonna use like the iron board if I need to do like some ironing. But other than that, I think I might use this bag for my clothes. I feel like this is more than enough room, and then I think I have to do a separate bag for toiletries and then my YouTube equipment. Let's do this. We found the luggage. I did not know we had this. My mom had this, so I'm gonna be using this, and she told me I could keep it. So it's like this really cute, like kind of black, kind of hardcover, and then it's like Mickey on the front, which is cute. So I'm gonna be using this luggage. I finished packing. I have my luggage right here, and also too I have my toiletry bag and then my equipment bag with me. This is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your constant support and love throughout all my videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you in Vegas. Bye guys.